Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to see how to install MySQL on macOS. So first we installed MySQL community server. This is the actual database server. It stores your data and runs the MySQL engine in the background. It lets you execute SQL commands. You connect to it using clients like Workbench, command line applications. Required if you want to host a MySQL database on your machine. So for that, open any browser and search for MySQL download. So here you can see MySQL community downloads. Click on that. After that, we need to select this MySQL community server. So once you reach here, you need to select the versions. This one is LTS long-term support, and this one is new version. So you can choose whichever you want. I'm going with the new version. Here we are going to download the ARM DMG version because I have Mac M3. If you have Intel, you need to download this one. So if you don't know about the versions, go to the Apple icon and click the about this Mac. Here you can see the chip info. So according to that, download the DMG file. So I'm downloading this one. Here it's asking for the login on, so no need to sign up or login. Just click the no thanks button. It will starts to download. Okay guys, let's wait. Once it's downloaded, we will continue. The download is completed, so just click on that and double click on this, and it's asking for the permission because we downloaded from the external one, so we need to allow this. Just continue and continue and agree. It's asking for if you have multiple profiles, you can customize, otherwise you can continue with this option. If you want to change the location, you can click on this and select the location, otherwise you can continue with this location. So here you need to enter the password. So here we need to enter the root user password. Don't forget the password, just write down if you want. So once you entered the password, click the finish. So again it's asking for password. Once it's done, it will start to install. It's installed, so just click close, and it's asking for the file that we downloaded, right? If you want, you can keep that, or else you can delete that. I don't need that file. Once you installed, click the Apple icon and go to system settings. So scroll down. Here you can see the MySQL logo. If you don't see that, just restart your system. So once you restart, come back again to the same place. You can see this. Click on that. So here it's installed. You can uninstall here by clicking this button. And one more option is there. When you log in to this account, this app will automatically starts to open. If you don't need that, just uncheck that one and give the password. So it's unchecked now. We installed this. We are going to install MySQL Workbench. This is a graphical tool for working with MySQL server. It helps you to lets you visually create, modify and query databases. It shows tables, schemas and data. Provides tools for ER diagrams, server administration, backups, etc. It does not store data. It only connects to a MySQL server. In simple terms, MySQL community server is the database itself. MySQL Workbench is a tool to interact with the database. We are going to install MySQL Workbench. So just search for MySQL Workbench. So click on the first website. Here go to downloads and scroll down. Here you can see the MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on that. So once you reach, click on MySQL Workbench. Here again we are going to install ARM. Just click on download and click the no thanks. It will start to download. Okay, it's downloaded. Now click on that downloaded file and here just drag to the application. It's prepared to install. Once it's installed, go to the apps. Here we can see the workbench. Click on that and open. Okay guys, it's installed. Now click on this one. It's the default one. It will ask the password that you created, right? Enter that root password here and you can save that password in keychain. Click OK. Just click continue. So here we installed successfully. Let's check the version and run. So the version is 9.5 that we installed. Let's check this in terminal. Open terminal, paste this command. I also mentioned this command in description. Just copy and paste or else you can type it. We successfully installed MySQL version 9.5.0. Okay guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Bye.